Hi, I hope all is well. Welcome back. And what are we going to talk today? I'm going to help you out. I'm going to tell you something about Facebook and basically Facebook marketing. So, what is Facebook? First of all, Facebook is one of the biggest platform on earth today. Facebook was founded in the year 2012 by Mark Zuckerberg, and it is one of the biggest platforms where people are literally earning millions and billions of dollars by just promoting their businesses, their online businesses, like business of travel, tourism, industries, affiliate businesses, coaching, and all types of businesses. They're just promoting their businesses, they're just putting on Facebook, and Facebook is doing the rest. Facebook is doing all the hard work for them because they are doing the smart work as Facebook is doing the hard work. So, what is this Facebook marketing? When we talk about Facebook marketing, we need to note three things. There are three main elements of Facebook marketing. Number one, Facebook has 1.2 billion. Yes, you heard that correct. 1.2 billion active monthly users. That is a huge amount. Now think about it. If your niche or your topic or your domain of expertise is cooking, for instance, just think about it. You love cooking and you think that you can conquer Facebook, you can conquer this online market of cooking through Facebook. What are you going to do? Now think about it. 1.2 billion people. So if just 10% of that population, of the total population, total number of users, if they are interested in using your courses, if they are interested in just showing something to your courses, then what is the impact going to be? Think about it. So 10% of 1.2 billion people, how much is it coming to? Yes, great amount. Yes, it is coming to around, what is it coming to? Can I get the answer from you? Yes, over a million. Absolutely, you're correct. Over a million. So now break down this thing, because we all know that if we are targeting 100 people and if we get 80 people, then only 10, 12, 15 or maximum 20 are going to agree with us, are going to take the program, are going to take the product, or will be the real customers, because that is how the sales funnel work and all these things. But we will keep it simple. Yes? Good. So if you just take 10%, that means out of 1 million, 10%, 100,000 people. So if 100,000 people show interest in your business, in your niche, in your domain, and are interested in learning cooking from you, think about the revenue that you're going to generate in a month. Think about the revenue that you're going to generate in a year. That is what makes it different. Now, how are you going to do that? I'm going to tell you. In two ways. Number one, we all know that we all have our Facebook profiles. We all have our profiles on Facebook with our names, our addresses, our education, friends and followers, all these things. But unfortunately or fortunately, you will not be able to bank upon or leverage that profile now. Why? Because it basically becomes useless once it comes to your business. When it comes to your business, what are you going to do? This is what I'm going to do. Create a Facebook page, FB page. Very simple, very easy. It's going to take maximum 1 hour for all the setting of the profile picture, of the email, of the website, of the verifications, all these things. 1 hour. Set up, just promote. Promote on every software. Promote on every social media platform. Share it with your friends, family members, colleagues, neighbors, and everything. The people who are interested, and conquer the local SEO first. Because if you're a local business, the first target is your local SEO. If you get the local people around you, if you get them as customers, then automatically someday or the other you're going to get the international media. That is really a natural phenomenon. It will happen. Create the Facebook page. I hope you created the Facebook page. Now it's simple. Just give Facebook ads. That is it. And now see how the thing is going to work for you. You have the website, you have the Facebook page, you have everything. Facebook will do all the hard work for you because you did the smart work. And that is why you are a part of the 1% who believe in smart work and not a part of the 99% who believe in hard work. See you soon. Bye bye.